I'm so happy you can join me again. Today we are making chicken tikka masala.
Yes. It is the most beloved Indian dish.
Well, actually no. Chicken tikka masala is Britain's national dish.
Chicken tikka masala is made with roasted marinated chicken or chicken tikka, which came from South Asia, cooked in spiced gravy, or the masala, which was developed in Britain, thus its vague origin. Anyway, here are the ingredients. Cut the chicken breast meat into chunks. For the marinade, we shall be using garlic ginger paste, which is simply a combination of finely minced garlic and finely grated ginger. Add in the spice mix, which consists of turmeric powder, garam masala, paprika, and salt. Next, spoon in the Greek yogurt and a squirt of fresh lemon juice. Mix thoroughly. Marinate the chicken for about 2 hours, or preferably overnight.
Hello, Russell here. Remember to give that like button a big bear hug. Drop a comment, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more fuzzy contents. And don't forget to boop that bell so you don't miss a single snuggle.
Now we are ready to cook, but first, finely chop the onion and set aside. Chicken tikka is traditionally made by grilling the meat. You can do that too, but today I shall be pan-frying the chicken pieces. After browning the chicken, set aside. We are now ready to make the masala gravy using the same pan. Add a knob of butter. Cook the chopped onion until brown and very soft. Dip in the garlic and ginger paste. Add the spice mix, consists of ground coriander, garam masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, and ground cumin. Pour in the tomato puree. Add the sugar. To make our masala gravy smoother in texture, use a hand mixer to blend. Keep cooking until the mixture is almost dry before pouring in the cream. You can add more cream if you want your gravy to be thinner in consistency. Now we can add the cooked chicken tikka back in and toss until every piece is covered with the delectable masala gravy. Garnish your chicken tikka masala with more cream and some fresh parsley. See how easy it is? Enjoy your chicken tikka masala with naan bread or with cooked basmati rice.
Looks super delicious.
Good job, Becca.
Thank you very much for watching. Join me next week for another episode of Becca's Easy Eats. Please support this plushie channel by buying me a coffee.
Click here to watch other plushie videos.